Experiment number 9, protection of generator by differential scheme. Aim to perform an experiment by using percentage differential protection of generator. Apparatus required: generation protection simulation study unit, 3-phase induction motor, 450 volt, 4.7 amps, 2.2 kilowatt, 1400 rpm, 3-phase alternator, 450 volt, 3.5 amp, 3 kilowatt, 1500 rpm. 3-phase resistive load bank, 450 volt, 3 kilowatt, 5 steps. Patch cords. Procedure: operating experiment to be conducted as per given procedure. So here we have power analyzing meter and time interval meter, RPM meter, DC excitation voltage measuring voltmeter, frequency meter, and VFD, and this is the potentiometer. 24 volt DC auxiliary healthy. If DC auxiliary supply is healthy, we will get an indication over here. Next, generator ready. That indication will go when the generator is ready. Here we have a toggle switch for overcurrent and earth fault relay, negative sequence relay, frequency relay, under voltage and over voltage relay, temperature relay. This is overcurrent and earth fault relay, and this is negative sequence type. Negative sequence relay. This is frequency relay meter. This is over or under voltage relay. And this is the variac to vary the voltage. This is the temperature indication and voltage selector switch. This is the main power switch on and off key. These are the RYB indication that indicates 3-phase supply. These are the MCBs which are controlling main MCB, variac MCB and load MCB. This is the resistive load bank, 3-phase 450 volt, 5 steps, 3 kilowatt, which is connected to the generator simulation unit. This is the AC alternator. Nameplate details of this alternator is kilowatt 3 kilowatts, RPM 1500, amps 3.5, voltage 3-phase 415 volt, excitation voltage is 220 volt, 1.65 amps. So this is the 3-phase induction motor. Nameplate details: voltage 415, amps 4.7, kilowatt 2.2, RPM 1400. Switch on the main control key, then switch on the MCB mains. So RYB indication is glowing now. Then switch on the variac MCB, load MCB. Now switch on all the toggle switch to healthy mode. Press this VFD run button. Switch on the variable frequency drive. Switch on the push button. Now press the run button so the alternate will start to rotate. So you can know the RPM of the alternator, that is 1495, almost 1500 RPM. To vary the frequency, we can rotate the potentiometer to anti-clockwise and reduce the frequency. So you can make out the speed over there in the RPM meter. We are setting the speed to 1000. We are setting the frequency to
6 volts.
50 hertz. To conduct the experiment, switch on the toggle position to negative sequence relay, frequency relay, under voltage relay, temperature relay to unhealthy position, and overcurrent relay should be in healthy position to create the fault. Now to create a line to line fault, we are shorting R and Y phase. Now turn on the fault simulation switch. So we are getting a voltage from line to line fault 101.5 to R and Y phase. YB we are getting 101.5 volt. BR we are getting 101.3 volts. Now we have done line to line fault. Next we have to follow the same procedure for line to ground 1, line to line 3, line to ground 4. So this connection is for line to ground fault. This is the connection for LL3, RYB. All are bit short. Now LG4, 3 phase plus grounding.
Like that we want to take release.
Now procedure to turn off the generator protection unit. Remove the connections. Switch off the generator. Then VFD off. To stop the motor, switch off the VFD red button. Switch off the push button. Switch off the main control key. Then switch off the main area MCB load amp.